Hello from Slovenia again. Today I'm working on this 10 by 14 inch canvas, and I decided that today I just want to go for something simple. I will layer my cup for like a ring pour or straight pour, and I will just pour my paints on in a freestyle. I don't know why, I just have this urge to do that, so go a little, back to basics, or how can I say, and I mixed quite some colors, I don't know. I have gold, I have phthalo green, I have iridescent green yellow, I have phthalo blue, permanent violet, brilliant blue and red violet, and my pearl white. And I don't know, I will start with a little gold in the bottom, not a lot. Okie doke, and I have some white just to have for my flow extender. So let's do that. I like that cup. So I will just go zhik 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 zhik, kind of fast. I definitely got some effects from my pearl white. It's selling already. As I said, I will add some titanium white around here for a flow extender. I will just try to go once more because I just don't like that. So I will add gold again. Let's roll some marble through. Just start there and go kind of over that part slowly and over. I think that I need something here too, so here she is. Unfortunately, I'm doing this on Monday, so I will not be able to show you the dried results, but I scraped the leftover paint and I will do something with that for the Wednesday video. So if you want to see, don't forget to subscribe and check the Wednesday video. Yeah, it was fun. Definitely something totally different for me, but I like it. I really do. So thanks for being here and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.